Welcome to Unbox Burrito. I recently ordered a bunch of media cases from Uline to replace my old, mostly childhood media because I destroyed the cases as a kid, and I decided to make a review in case any one of you are wondering if you want to do the same. I had no luck trying to find any reviews, and I had to ask Uline for some samples, and I had to just buy them, taking a risk to hope that they are to my satisfaction. Long story short, they are to my satisfaction. I'm really glad with the quality that Uline has, but I will show you a closer look. First of all, the standard CD cases in black and totally clear. So these are Uline, in Canada at least, cases that they use. And honestly, it is like the exact case that you get whenever you buy music CDs or video games. So you can see it even says compact disc, digital audio. You can see there. The trays open up just like every standard tray, and even the front cover comes off. So between the clear and black ones, they contain the exact same front and back jewel case plastic, and the only difference would be the centerpiece, where this one the center is clear and this one the center is black. Even the clear ones say compact disc digital audio. So I'll show you an example here. I replaced an old Lego Island computer game that I totally destroyed the case as a kid. And you can see here, it looks exactly like if you were to get it. No one would be able to tell this is a replacement case. So yeah, I'm really happy. It looks exactly and feels exactly the same. And for the clear, I replaced this Twisted Metal PS1 game. You can see it's perfectly restored back to new. And yeah, looks great. Okay, next up we have Slimline, the half-size DVD cases. Here are the clear ones and here are the black ones. I must say these are very nice, perfectly clear without any defects on these cases. I am really impressed with the build quality. So here's the center piece on the inside. And here is a sample I received, one that holds 2 discs. It's the exact same as the clear. It does not have a holder for the sleeve insert like this one does. And these are great and perfect to replace your old childhood DVD sets. So here I have SpongeBob. These cases are riddled with tiny scratches. And oh yeah, definitely you could see there, this is one of the big ones. Obviously the centerpiece is gonna be different because it's a different brand. However, if you don't care about that centerpiece, this Uline centerpiece, honestly, I like more. It has a very satisfying click when you put the disc in, and it's honestly very satisfying and simple to pop the disc out. Like, I would say it's more satisfactory than the original one. This one you have to push a little bit harder on the original. This one, it holds the disc very securely, but when you want to take it out, super simple. So there, I replaced one of the SpongeBob cases in a brand new pristine case. And here's the old one, scratches. There's a lot more. I'm pretty sure the camera doesn't pick it up. This is one of the biggest ones. Yeah, so now I like to restore these cases just so I can admire them in their brand new condition. And then now for the black one. If you have the original season 1 of Family Guy, you will know that it comes in slim black cases. These cases have a lot of scratches. These cases really got beaten up. Definitely can see those scratches. So man, these are very glossy black cases, which I like. The exact same center piece holder, very satisfying. I 100% give these Slimline cases 2 thumbs up. I 100% recommend them. And there we go. It has a very strong, satisfying clasp. And just like that, you've just restored it back to brand new condition. Oh, it's just so smooth and satisfying. Definitely so happy with these Slimline cases. Okay, so next we have the standard size DVD cases. Now there are 2 versions. This is the standard regular version. You can see inside the center has these 2 push tabs. And then this one is a recycled plastic, more eco-friendly one. You can tell the inside is more matte and it has this weird centerpiece. I got a sample of both. These cases are slightly more expensive, but it's not made out of recycled plastic. It is made with thinner plastic than like old school DVD cases that are really hard and thick. Honestly, nowadays you get these slightly cheaper cases a lot, so to me it like feels like just like any other standard DVD case. This is actually very good quality considered it's recycled plastic. And honestly, looking on the outside, you like can't tell a difference. The snap of opening and closing is actually very satisfying. So it is slightly weaker on the recycled one. And honestly, I would be happy if I bought cases of the recycled one. However, I did not. I ended up getting the standard one because of the center piece here. On the recycled one, the center piece really does not work that well. It does its job well to hold the disc in, but it's very difficult to remove. This is a movie that I already replaced. So this is currently using a standard case, which you can see on the inside. It has the 2 tabs. You push it down, this comes out just like every other case. The recycled one. See, I'm pushing a lot harder, and the snap feels like it has the potential to crack the disc. That's what I don't like about it. And now to take it out, you have to push really hard, and honestly, this holds the disc a bit too tight, and it's a bit too strong. It's too hard to push down and pop the disc out. And when it does pop the disc out, it feels like it pops the disc out with a little bit too much force. So I would definitely fear of this case cracking the disc on the inside. But this case, I am totally okay with. So if you're looking for very thick, hard DVD cases, unfortunately, those are going to be really hard to find. You're going to need to find companies like Emery that make these cases. They're the companies that make PlayStation 2 original boxes. And if you have a PS2 case, you can tell those cases are very thick. So here I have a PlayStation 2 case, and you could probably just tell by opening it like that, like this has a very satisfying and crisp clasp. And like these cases are, oh man, these things is like premium for today's standards. And you can see the company here. It's made by Amaray, Amaray. And I don't even know if you can get these cases from this company anymore. But like, these are ultimate cases. This is old school, like early millennium style DVD cases. A lot of movies came with these, and you could just like tell this thing is like, I had to put a lot of pressure to bend. These things are hard like a rock. These, unfortunately, are a lot compared to the hard cases. These are like, I would say half as thick, but honestly, you don't really need strength if these things are just sitting on the wall. I mostly get these to replace those stupid eco ones that have like a cutout hole on the inside. Yeah, these cases, I hate these eco cases. Crappiest thing I've ever seen. So I bought these cases to replace it. It's basically the same thickness of plastic as those eco cases. It just doesn't have holes cut out of them. The thinness of this case and lightness is actually totally fine and acceptable. This is what the movie looks like, and I have already started replacing all of my movies with these boxes. And lastly, this is the same case, just in white. So it's the exact same Uline, not recycled DVD cases, but it's in white color. And I believe that's it. So those are all the cases. Just to let you know, if you do message Uline directly, they can send you a sample of one case only. So you can sample a few of these cases before you or dedicate yourself to buy an entire case. If I were to rate them, these Slimline cases are my absolute favorite. I like these Slimline cases more than the standard ones, the original ones that come with DVD sets. Second, I would say these can hardly tell any difference between an original jewel case and a Uline jewel case. This is just as satisfactory as the Slimline. And then when you come to the regular DVD boxes, I would say it's at least like 75 or 80% satisfactory. If you're expecting the old school DVD cases, then yeah, you won't be happy with it. If you for whatever reason need this very strong plastic box, then this is not what you're looking for. If you're looking to replace these stupid eco-friendly ones, then yeah, you will be way satisfied having these boxes. And you could also get it in clear. I do not have a clear one, funny enough. For standard size clear cases, I opt for a Viva brand. I will make another video talking about those. So that's basically a few words I have to say about these Uline DVD boxes, and I hope I could have helped some people out. Found it informative and you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like my other videos on this channel, and thanks for watching.